Welcome! In the practice studio, start by entering your topic. You can type, paste, or even attach files for richer results. Now for the real magic. In addition to text, you can add sources like PDFs, images, and more to generate from. Click to add sources from your computer, or simply reuse a file you've already uploaded. Now it's your turn to try. In your input prompt, you can see how EduGenius combined your text with the content from your uploaded source files. In Step 2, you choose your formats. Select A, Practice Quiz, Flashcards, or click to see all format options. You can select up to 3 formats at a time. Here, we've picked A, Practice Quiz, and 2 other activities. Explore the full list to find other great formats, like Essay Practice or Worksheet, to match your study goals. Before generating, you'll see A, Generation Summary. It shows the sources, formats, and total credit impact for the session. The Credit Cost Estimate updates as you choose formats. Once you're happy with your choices, click Next, Generate Content. Now, watch as EduGenius creates your study materials. It will generate each of the formats you selected. Your generated materials appear in tabs. Select a format like Multiple Choice Quiz to review it before you begin. It's always a good idea to review your new materials. When you're ready, click I've reviewed to continue. Once your content is ready, you can export it to PDF and other formats, or click Start Practice to jump right in. During a test, you can open the Scratchpad to draw or type notes. Click Close Scratchpad when you're done. Not sure about an answer? Just click the flag icon or Flag is doubtful to save it for review later. As you answer each question, your progress is tracked at the top. When you're all finished, click Submit Test. Before you finish, rate how you felt. If you're having second thoughts, just click Go Back and Review. The review screen lets you check your performance on each question, including any answers you flagged as doubtful during the quiz. You'll get instant feedback on your mastery. Click Discuss with Aria to explore the topic even further. After a quiz, you can always expand, view My Scratch Notes, to see the freehand drawings and typed notes you made.